Chicago is a city that lives and breathes food, with every neighborhood offering a different taste of the city's culture and history. This vlog is less about fancy dining and more about meals that capture the city's soul, comfort food, global flavors, and let's be real, plenty of carbs. Hi, I'm Taya. I'm a travel content creator sharing weekly vlogs, guides, and tips to explore the world, plus creator advice to grow your brand and land collaboration. I definitely had to kick off this trip at the Starbucks Reserve Roastery on Michigan Ave, which is the largest Starbucks in the world. This 5-story coffee palace isn't just a cafe, it's an immersive experience where you can see beans being roasted on site and try drinks exclusive to the location. I went with their cornetto, which is a flaky Italian pastry, alongside an ube matcha, which is a matcha-based specialty drink unique to the roastery. Got a butter cornetto. I wanted to get the herb one, but they were sold out, so let's try it. So for my drink, I got a iced matcha latte, of course, but I got it with ube cold foam, which is only at this roastery. That's good. The cold foam is thick. The vibe here is definitely more of an attraction than your average coffee stop and is worth checking out at least once if you're in Chicago. Next up is MALNATI'S, one of Chicago's most iconic pizzerias. Founded in 1971, Lou's has been serving up the buttery crust, cheese-loaded style that defines Chicago pizza. So obviously I had to go there my first night.
Another small.
Like and subscribe for more foodie vlogs from cities around the world. We headed to Logan Square Farmers Market, which is one of the city's most popular neighborhood markets and a Sunday staple for locals. The market is known for its mix of fresh produce, local vendors, and creative food stalls that make it a must for both groceries and bites on the go. I grabbed a mango coconut matcha. Okay. Got a coconut mango matcha from Noble Fat here at Logan Square Farmers Market. Give it a little mixy mix. Get all that mango. Oh, that is good. My first time having mango. Oh, that's yummy. It's like a nice tropical drink. It was sweet, tropical, and refreshing, which felt like the perfect pick-me-up as we walked around the stalls in that Chicago sun. The community vibe here makes it a great way to experience the neighborhood beyond just the restaurants. WIDBERRY Cafe is a Chicago brunch classic located right by Millennium Park, and it always has a line for a good reason. They're known for their generous portions and over-the-top pancake creations. I couldn't resist their cinnamon roll pancakes. It has cream cheese frosting and a nice cinnamon sugar on the side. Sometimes the cinnamon sugar could be too much, so that's why I asked for it on the side. I just want to do a quick little taste test. Probably doesn't even need syrup, so I have it with some of the cream cheese icing.
What do you mean? You mean racially or just personal interest? Sexually?
The pancakes are so fluffy, and the cream cheese icing isn't too much. Yeah, I'm a fan. This is good. Okay, I'm about to tear these up. A trip to Chicago wouldn't be complete without exploring Chinatown, one of the most vibrant and historic neighborhoods in the city. We stopped at MINGHIN Cuisine, a Michelin-recognized restaurant specializing in authentic Cantonese dishes and dim sum. I tried their sesame chicken, which was crispy, flavorful, and proof of why they're a local favorite. We also got some dim sum, but forgot to record. For dessert, we walked over to Mango Mango, which was a Hong Kong-style dessert shop. Their mango sticky rice was fresh, light, and the perfect ending to my Chicago food crawl. If you want to see the full Chicago experience, check out my Chicago vlog for everything I did there beyond the food. Next up, we have a restaurant in one of my favorite Chicago neighborhoods, Pilsen, which is a neighborhood famous for its Mexican-American culture, street art, and amazing food scene. At AZUL 18, I tried their Bananas Foster style pancakes, and honestly, these were some of the best pancakes I've had anywhere. They came stacked high, caramelized with bananas, and drizzled with sauce that made every bite perfectly balanced. This was one of those meals that you still think about even after you're back home from the trip. Next up, Time Out Market, a curated food hall in Fulton Market that brings together some of the city's best restaurants under one roof. I went straight for the Korean style fried chicken, which was crispy, spicy, and full of flavor. What I love about Time Out is that it's a one-stop shop to try multiple of Chicago's favorites without having to go so far across the city. TRILOKAH is an Indian restaurant that feels more like stepping into a community than just dining out. The space is colorful, warm, and buzzing with energy, and the food matches the vibe. Okay, I am at TRILOKAH, South-based Indian cuisine in the Lincoln Park area. This is a lime soda with sugar. I'm very excited to try it. Cheers. Oh, that's good. It's like a light yet sweet Sprite. Okay. We also have mango lassi, which is one of my favorites. Cheers. Oh, it's so sweet. Delicious, yes. We also got some chicken 65, which is always delish, nice and crunchy. And it comes with a delicious sauce. Comes with some kind of lime sauce, but it's really good. We also got chili paneer. The portions are pretty good sizes. The chili paneer is good. It's sweet. It has that heat, but it's not overbearing at all. Okay, this is the fried beef. I'm excited to try this. Love me some beef. And it looks very seasoned. Ooh, and tender. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, wow. It just breaks apart in your mouth. And it's very aromatic. This is the Guerrilla Porota. That's good too. Time to try the appam. The appam is native to the Kerala cuisine, and it's made of fermented rice. I bet it would be delicious, like dipped in a curry. It's very soft. So now we have the butter chicken dosa, and it came with a vegetable soup, a coconut chutney, and a peanut chutney. I'm not gonna lie, I've already started eating. How it looks, and it has the butter chicken on the inside. Everything has been 10 out of 10. Luckily here, I was able to dive deeper into their menu and try quite a few of their options. But I can just tell, even on a casual visit, TRILOKAH makes you feel like family. The Donut Vault has a big following in Chicago, and it's easy to see why. The shop itself is tiny, but the lines that form outside are a testament to how amazing their donuts are. Last full day in Chicago, definitely had to finally check out the Donut Vault, and I got the OG, the popular buttermilk old-fashioned donuts. Give it a try. It's pretty early. What time is it? It's 8:57, so there wasn't much of a line, which was good. I've been waiting to try this donut because I've heard all the good things about it. This is how it looks. Oh yeah. Alrighty. It kind of tastes like a pound cake. That's delicious. It's soft on the inside, but the glazy outside is giving it a crunch. It's definitely worth the hype. So if you're in Chicago, go to River North early and check out the Donut Vault. It's a true piece of Chicago's food history where simple, handmade quality wins over all that extra stuff. Slim Chicago is a cozy spot that blends comfort food with a twist. The space has that neighborhood hangout feel, and I feel like it would be perfect to go there before or after a big game day. I'm not gonna lie, I've already started eating, but the food is so good and flavorful. Here we have the mozzarella cheese sticks. I love me a good cheese stick and a good cheese pull. And the cheese pull on this speaks for itself. And it's even better in the marinara sauce they have. We also got the elote bites, which is very unique. I've never seen a place have little bites like this of elote. You just dip it in their sauce. Sign me up for cheese fries any day of the week. Oh yeah. Now we have my favorite. Yeah, this is my favorite. The spicy chicken po' boy. The chicken is so crispy and the sauce is amazing on there. Okay, this is the gyro burger, which has tzatziki sauce, gyro meat, all the goods. That's very flavorful too. I really like that one. This is one of their new blue raspberry shakes. Tastes like a very unique shake, but I can tell the ice cream and that shake is good. And then here's the strawberry shake. I love me a good shake, especially in this hot Chicago heat. These are perfect. I'm about to kill the rest of this food and then I'll check in with y'all later. But Slim's, highly recommend it, especially if you're near the Lincoln Park area or just want some good food before a good Chicago Cubs game. Of course, no Chicago food tour would be complete without an Italian beef sandwich, and Al's Beef is the place to go. Beef sandwich, look at this. Ooh. We got it with sweet peppers and provolone cheese, and then we also got a sunflower. Founded in 1938, Al's perfected the Chicago classic. Thin sliced seasoned roast beef piled onto a French roll, dipped in all that good sauce. It's messy, it's juicy, and it's one of the city's most iconic and quick bites. I also did a cooking class at Pizzeria Due, the sibling of the famous Pizzeria Uno, where Chicago's style deep dish first started in 1943. So it made it kind of special, to be honest. Pizzeria Due continues the legacy of that original recipe, and learning how it's made from scratch gave me a new appreciation for just how much effort goes into every pie. Not only was it a fun class, but the pizza was so good, and honestly, the best deep dish that I had while I was in Chicago. I dive deeper into the class in my full Chicago vlog, but it's definitely one of the more unique food experiences you can have in the city. After so much pizza and sweets, I was really craving a bagel for breakfast one day there, so I stopped at Corey's New York City Bagel Deli. They specialize in authentic New York style bagels that are boiled and baked fresh daily. Nothing hits like a perfectly chewy bagel with cream cheese. If you've made it this far, drop the word pizza in the comments so I can know who my real ones are. For the last lunch of the trip, I'm trying small CHEVAL. I've heard a lot of good things about it, even from the locals, so I am excited to try. Here's how it looks from the inside. Just a little vibe, really nice and simple. And then they have seating over there, and then outdoor seating as well, but it's too hot for that. I got the single deluxe cheeseburger and the Sprite, so I'll keep y'all posted. Nice and juicy. And I got a garlic aioli dipping sauce. Try it out. Good burger, definitely worth the hype. I got a Sprite to wash it down. It's easily one of my top bites from the trip. While I was there, I saw so many people there that looked like they were coming from their lunch break. I literally said, like, if I lived and worked over here, this would be my lunch spot at least once a week. I can't wrap this up without mentioning a few quick bites worth grabbing in Chicago. Levain, obviously, for their massive gooey cookies, Garrett Popcorn for the famous Chicago mix of cheese and caramel, and Stan's Donuts for another local favorite that blends classic and inventive flavors. Chicago has such a rich and diverse food scene, from neighborhood staples to global flavors and iconic dishes. This trip proved to me why Chicago is one of the best food cities in the US. You can taste the history, culture, and creativity in every neighborhood you explore. Save this video for your next Chicago trip. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. And me. I'll see you next week.